I'm not in a normal garden. I'm inside the mall. Can you guys believe that? Welcome to Cityland Mall, a hidden gem right next to Global Village, with European vibes, open spaces, and free of charge. Just 20 minutes from downtown and 25 minutes from Dubai Marina, surrounded by Dubai's most premium communities. This is not just another mall, it's the best destination for families and kids. With the biggest gym in the UAE coming soon and a unique surf club. Only at Cityland Mall. Have you visited before? Let us know in the comments. And like I said,